Ouch! You've been shot! How do you act like you've been shot on stage? Well, just like any other form of trauma, getting shot is a very violent act that many of us have not experienced. So we need to find substitutions for getting shot in order to more effectively act like we're getting shot. First of all, if you're getting shot in a film and the only objective is to die, basically you're going to be riddled with squibs, or a stuntman's going to come in and do that for you. You're usually just going to fall out of frame or something like that. But if you are shot on stage or in a film and you need to recover from that shot, then it's very much like any other traumatic experience that you might need to act, in that you need to decide where you're shot, how bad, were there internal organs that got shot? Was there an exit wound? You want to decide all these details and play that, because an exit wound is going to be much more painful than an entrance wound in a shot. So your reaction might be to your back, your kidney, when you get shot in the stomach. If you're shot in the head, you're probably gonna just die right away. If you're shot in the neck, you're gonna and fall out. Either way, you're going to have bleeding. It's going to either spurt out or it's going to start to melt into your clothes. So noticing the blood first is probably your first job as an actor. And also the pain is going to be extreme, but so extreme that you might not even feel it. You're in a state of shock. Your attention is going to go down to wherever you were shot. If you're in a shot in the shoulder so you can see it on camera, then you're gonna be like, there's gonna be a moment of disbelief.
I can't believe I was shot, or you just shot me.
And a shot is a violent act too. You have to know what gun is being used and how traumatic that is, and whether you were shot multiple times. So, the reaction to that is going to be a physical and stunt-based movement that will be choreographed, hopefully, by a stunt person or a fight choreographer or something like that, so that you will know how to react. Does it knock you off balance? Does it go right through you and you don't even hardly notice? Or do you have some sort of armor on and it's just hitting a part of your body and being stopped? Wherever you're shot, you're gonna get the air knocked out of you. It's gonna be like a gut punch. You're not gonna be able to breathe. So play with gasping, play with disbelief, play with blood and the effects that has on you as a character. Play with the idea that you're losing blood, your oxygen is draining, your legs are getting weak, your arms are tingly, and you're losing your focus, your sense of reality. Play with all those things, and then you're not just acting shot like this and go, oh, I've been shot, I'm dying. We don't want that kind of fake acting unless it's called for in the script. So your character's been shot. Do they just bleed a little bit and you need to know how to bleed, or do you die from an attack? Bleed or die from an attack? Choose one of those options.